Welcome back to Round Glasses Global, where we put the world in focus, one chaos at a time. Today, we're visiting the Strait of Hormuz. It's 33 kilometers wide at its narrowest point. That's shorter than your morning commute in LA traffic. And right now, this little puddle has decided to take a nap. A very expensive nap. Shipping lanes through here have been effectively disrupted. And your wallet? It's about to feel it. Every single day, about 20 million barrels of oil used to cruise through here like it's a Sunday drive. That's 1/5 of the world's daily oil supply. Then, ship traffic dropped by 97% practically overnight. Poof, gone. The result? Oil prices jumped roughly 10% in one day. Brent crude is now flirting with $90 per barrel. Economic analysts warn that even a temporary disruption pushes prices into double-digit increases, and if this goes on for 2 weeks, we're looking at $100 per barrel. Translation from Round Glasses Global Economics, that $30 filler? Meet its cousin, $60. In some countries, petrol prices have already jumped in just 6 days. In North America, analysts say the national average could hit $3.50 a gallon in the coming weeks. Now, major oil producers keep telling themselves, but we're one of the world's largest oil producers. We're fine, and that's partially true. Some regions are less dependent than in previous decades. But here's the hilarious part, and at Round Glasses Global, we love the hilarious part. Global oil markets don't care about your national pride. When prices go up in Asia, they go up everywhere. It's called a global economy. It's inconvenient like that. Now here's where it gets really fun. The Strait of Hormuz isn't just an oil highway. It's also a floating farmer's market. About 1/3 of the world's fertilizer trade passes through here. Millions of tons of fertilizer annually. Fertilizer prices jumped significantly right after the disruption. Why should you care? Because fertilizer is to food what coffee is to Monday mornings. Absolutely essential. Agricultural unions warn this is the start of the next inflationary cycle on food production. Farmers might even plant less because they can't afford the fertilizer. So congratulations from your friends at Round Glasses Global. Your salad just got a promotion to luxury goods. According to economic analysis, fertilizer prices jumped, shipping costs. Oh, they're having a party. Major container lines have slapped on more risk surcharges of $1,500 to $4,000 per container. For context, moving a container from Asia to Europe normally costs $2,700 to $3,600. So these surcharges basically double the price. Some countries import nearly half their food. Everything from almonds to saffron to dates now comes with a geopolitical tension fee. Industry reports add that clothing, cookware, and medical equipment are also affected. So yes, even your new t-shirt, the one you bought thinking it was a simple purchase, is now a casualty of geopolitical tension. Welcome to Round Glasses Global, where we connect the dots so you don't have to. Government economic forecasts estimate this situation will add around 1% to inflation in some regions by year-end. L'inadmis en extra 0,30-4%. Some economic research firms, the optimists of the group, say the impact on global GDP is only 0.1%, which is like saying a heart attack only affects 0.1% of your body. Technically true. Practically, you're still on the floor. As economic observers eloquently put it, global prosperity rests on a handful of geographic choke points. And right now, one of them is choking. And at Round Glasses Global, we think that's worth a closer look. So the next time you fill up your tank or buy a bag of apples, remember, somewhere in the Persian Gulf, a 33-kilometer strip of water is having a tantrum, and you're paying for its timeout. This has been another episode of Round Glasses Global, helping you see the world clearly, even when it's messy. Next week, how a volcano in Iceland affects your avocado toast. Subscribe and hit that bell. Trust us, you'll need the distraction from your rising bills.